guys doing? Hope you're doing fine. I hope you're enjoying your weekend. Best is yet to come with disco, I tell you. One life to live. It is too short. Enjoy it while you can. No pain. Good life. Oh. Let's talk about the market. How you guys doing? I hope you're doing wonderful. I hope you're doing fine. I hope you're doing good. This is the equity put to call. I'm trying to formulate a bearish scenario for the market, very structured, not based on negative feelings or trying to be against the crowd or trying to be different. Just structure that worked in the past. And I always say that before the start of my videos, just to tell people that I'm not a dark person. This is the equity put to call, and you can see from the start of Feb that every single positive divergence meant something. You can see it here and here, and this what happened, and you can see it here and here, and this what happened. You could start the positive divergence in March 20 to here, and the histogram MACD here, and this what happened. So you could see, you could pause, you could look it up. I tweeted this, you could look at my tweets, and you see every single one means something, and every single one in the past meant an increase in the put to call ratio. Okay, good deal. So I hope you understand that. This last one started in November 9th until today. Once you get over the 20 stochastic, you might have something really serious. And also in the histogram, the MACD is still going for the zero line and maybe more. And even the looks of this wave coming down from 52 put to call equity put to call to 35 historic low, it looks very corrective, which indicates an impulsive move to the upside. So this is the equity put to call. Let's look at the USD. Okay. The stock market, in my point of view, is just, it's all about support and resistance. Places where the buyers gather, places where the sellers gather. Any place you bet, you speculate, and you hope that that trade is going to be in your direction. Okay, so in this one right here, we can see I plotted two ABCs down from this low. Let's look at this one, the green one, from this low on October 21st to the high of November 2nd, AB, and C might be concluded at the 127 Feb retracement at this number right here, which implies more downside to the USD. This is the USD, by the way, DXY. Okay, and it could be it could have concluded at 1-to-1 90.65, which was almost the close at Friday. So it's two scenario. ABC might have further down to go, the 127 Feb extension, or concluded at this number right here. So there's another ABC down from the low of November 9th, high November 11th. Low might have concluded on Friday. It's right here. 162 Fibonacci extension at 90.51, which was almost the low. Good deal. So this is the daily time frame for the dollar. Let's look at the weekly time frame for the dollar. Another price memory for the dollar, which was the low of Friday, right here. It was it was a price memory back in 2018. So you gather an evidence here. Two ABCs down. One of them met its target, and the other one might have met its target. And also price memory that came with, in the weekly time frame, that came with a positive divergence right here. The last positive divergence in DXY in the weekly time frame was August 3rd till August 31st. Stochastic right here, the price action, and resulted in a huge bounce back, almost 95 in September 21st. Okay, so it does matter. This time it's longer. Okay, and before that you have a negative divergence in here. This is stochastic on price action, and this what happened. And before that, another negative divergence from here to here, and this what happened. And way before that, in 2018, a positive divergence between 23rd of 2018, 23rd of Jan 2018 till Feb 12th 2018, and this what happened. So, in conclusion, for the dollar, every single positive or negative divergence meant something in the dollar and reacted correctively, meaning against the primary trend, which is down here, correction up, downtrend right here, correction maybe up, we don't know the future, correction up, correction down, correction down. Good deal. So it's structured. It happens in the past. We don't know the future. It happened in the past in both daily and weekly for the DXY. Put to call happened in the past too. So we're not dark. We're not angry. We're not trying to rain in anybody's parade. Good deal. So this is the dollar and same structure. So I'm not doing Elliott wave now. I'm just doing places of buyers, places of sellers, and we're trying to speculate. So in this illustration, I'm trying to point at the significance of the positive or negative divergence and how it reacted in the past for the Dow Industrial. You could pause here and look, and I'm going to explain it right now. Good deal. So what happened recently, November 18th till today, this happened in the stochastic. It's extremely obvious that is negative divergence. So what happened before that? The last negative or positive divergence before that was here, September 10th till 24th of September, positive divergence. And that's what happened. And before that, 7th of August or 8th of August till September 2nd. And that's what happened. So on, so forth. What do we conclude? We conclude that every single positive or negative divergence is to be taken seriously. At that time, the signal of the sell signal was the bearish crossover in the MACD, along with the price action. See? One black cross right here for the Japanese candles with this and the negative divergence. Bearish engulfing right here with the negative divergence and a bearish crossover. This one only the MACD bearish crossover. This one is one black call or a bearish, I think it's one black call. So do we have any signals? Nothing yet. Should be weary. Yes, we should. Good deal. Beautiful. How we doing in the MACD? It's not in the bearish crossover yet. It's flattening, which means once you have a sell signal, this bad boy will go bearishly down. What does the histogram tell me? It's very close to being below zero right here. Good deal. So, conclusion. In conclusion, I have a bearish scenario for the Dow based on the put to call, the equity put to call, based on the dollar bullishness, and based on the negative divergences in the Dow that did not give the sell signal yet. So please, if you subscribe if this is your first time, push like if you like, share if you may, and love life. And this is not a selling short recommendation at all. And there is no sell signal yet. And love life and disco is forever.